Hello everyone, welcome back to the NISM Series 5A Mutual Fund Distributor Mock Test Series. Today we will be discussing questions from Chapter 2. So let's start. So question number 1 is, what is mutual fund? And our options are: a company that gives loans to investors, a professionally managed investment vehicle that pools money from investors, it increases investment returns automatically, it reduces risk completely. And answer is option B, a professionally managed investment vehicle that pools money from investors. Question number 2, which of the following best explains the benefit of mutual funds to small investors? And our options are: it allows speculation, it enables diversification with small amounts, it provides guaranteed profits, it eliminates all risks. And answer to this question is option B, it enables diversification with small amounts. Next question is, who is responsible for managing the assets of a mutual fund? And options are: depository participant, asset management company, registrar and investor himself. And correct answer is option B. Let's move on to next question. True or false? Mutual funds follow the concept of trust structure. Answer is true. Question number 5, which statement is correct? Mutual funds guarantee fixed returns. Mutual funds help investors participate in the capital markets conveniently. Mutual funds eliminate market risks completely. Mutual funds are only for high net worth individuals. Right answer is option A. Question 6, mutual fund schemes are often classified in terms of the investment objectives. Options are: what they aim to invest, where they invest, both A and B, none of the above. Correct answer is option C. Moving on to question number 7. The sum of all investments made by investors in the mutual fund scheme is the entire mutual fund scheme size, which is also known as the scheme's. Option R, net asset value, assets under management, fund size, market capitalization. Right answer is our answer is asset under management. Question 8, net asset value before dividend equals 15 rupees. Dividend declared 1 rupee per unit. What will be net asset value after dividend? Options are: 16 rupees, 15 rupees, 14 rupees, 13 rupees. And answer is option C. Question number 9 is, which entity acts as the legal owner of securities purchased by a mutual fund scheme? Options are: A, unit holders; B, trustees on behalf of unit holders; C, fund manager personally; D, registrar and transfer agent. And the answer is option B. Our 10th question is, identify the wrong statement. And the options are: A, units represent proportional ownership of the fund; B, scheme objectives are disclosed in the offer document; C, trustees may ignore compliance reports from the AMC; D, net asset value reflects market value of underlying securities. Our answer is option C. Let's look at question 11. True or false? An investor in a mutual fund owns units of the fund, not the underlying securities. Options are: A, true; B, false. Our answer is true. Question number 12 is, net asset value represents the market value of one unit after accounting for fund expenses. State whether it is true or false. And answer to this question is true. Moving on to next question. Identify the wrong statement. Options are: A, fund managers take decisions consistent with the scheme's objective. B, mutual funds guarantee returns if managed by reputed AMCs. C, trustees ensure that the AMC adheres to SEBI regulations. D, net asset value changes as per market value of securities. Correct answer is option B. Question number 14, which benefit of mutual funds helps investors handle unsystematic risk? And options are: A, liquidity; B, diversification; C, tax exemption; D, NAV appreciation. And answer is diversification. 15th question is SIPs in mutual funds primarily promote options or A. Timing the market for higher returns, B. Regular disciplined investing and cost averaging, C. Avoiding long-term investment planning, D. Guaranteed income each month. Answer to this question is again option B. Question number 16. Which statement is correct about scheme information document? Options are A. It contains detailed information on objectives, strategy, and risks. B. It is optional for open-ended schemes. C. It includes only marketing details. D. It is issued by AMFI, not AMC. Right answer is option A. Question number 17 is the main difference between growth and dividend option within a scheme is options are A. Asset allocation, B. Frequency of NAV declaration, C. Distribution of earnings, D. Investment objective. Correct answer is option C. Question number 18. What is a fund of funds scheme? Our options are A scheme investing in shares of banks, B. A scheme investing in other mutual fund schemes, C. A scheme that guarantees income, D. A scheme that invests only in bonds. Correct one is option C. Let's jump to the next one. An extension of index or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, as they change the basis of the exposure in the portfolio to the index using alternative strategies. Options are A. Smart Beta Fund, B. Specialized Investment Fund, C. Quant Funds, D. International Rights. Correct answer is Smart Beta Fund. Let's move on to our final question of the session. SEBI, in its recent amendment to SEBI Mutual Funds Regulations, has introduced a new product line under mutual funds known as our options are A. Smart Beta Fund, B. International Rights, C. Quant Funds, D. Specialized Investment Fund. Right answer is option D. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next part. Happy learning.